It is a great weekend in the historical town of Winchelsea. Step back in time at this picturesque gateway to the Otway hinterland and Western District. Explore the grandeur of Barwon Mansion, designed to be ready for a visit from royalty. Walk the banks of the Barwon River, keeping an eye out for platypus as you near the town's iconic bluestone bridge. Just one of the historical landmarks on the Winchelsea Heritage Trail. About sweet time for a delicious bite to eat? Look no further. Or if local country pub fare is more to your taste, head to the tastefully restored Winchelsea Hotel. Return to your cosy country cottage that your dogs will love just as much as you do. It's a great weekend enjoying the nostalgic charm of Winchelsea.